Many of us who, if we don't have land, we wonder, how do we start a backyard garden? Well, for people with zero land, who have just a porch or a small space, we'll show you how you can do a garden. In a sack or a nylon sack, you can simply fill soil. What we did here, we actually put a pipe first inside and we put pebbles. And around it, we've just filled it with very highly nutritious soil mixed with a bit of compost. And you can simply pull out the pipe with pebbles and you'll see pebbles in the middle and you have nice soil around it. The pebbles are important to ensure that water goes in well, there is nice aeration. And in this one sack, you can actually grow 4 or 5 different vegetables. If you're just growing a root crop, you don't have to use the pebbles. You can just have one potato growing in one, kumala growing in one, or any rooty vegetables growing in one. But if you want to have a range of leafy vegetables, we simply need to make a few holes. Now think about planting one major vegetable here, for example, eggplant. And on the side, you can have a bean growing, mother of herbs growing, lemongrass on different sides. It has to be very well done in terms of companion. We don't have too many big eaters. Big eater would be vegetables would have a lot of fruits. You can have one of that. And let us show you how. We've done a demonstration for you here. We have planted an eggplant, a main plant. You can see the shoots are coming out. With it, we have done mint, a herb, which will remain short and the eggplant will go up. On the side, we've done a bean. We've done long beans. Beans are great legumes and it will fix nitrogen in this little sack. At the back, we've got mother of herbs, which will just grow on its own. It requires very little soil. The watering that we will do will continue to feed this well. On the side here, we've got a spinach, the Malabar spinach, that can just take on its own. So in one sack, we have grown 5 different crops. And if you keep feeding it well, if you have eggshells, if you're creating some manure and feeding it and watering it well, you will have at least 5 different crops in one sack. So you can have a range of different vegetables growing in 5 or 6 different bags around your house, or you can use big plastic bags or plastic containers. But these sorts of nylon bags work really well because you can have multiple crops on it. So don't you worry if you don't have land. You could easily do 5 or 6 bags right on your porch to have enough vegetables for your entire family.